Okay, traders. Yes, yeah, actually, as I have been sharing analysis now, it has been a long time. I have been sharing market analysis. So none of the knowledge content have been shared. Now it is about now it's about 6 months, I think. Roughly, it's around 6 months since I shared my last um, knowledge content, and even more than 6 months. So basically, because I already had those trading videos, now trading knowledge videos, now those sessions now in sequence. Now we had those in English, and then we had those in Swahili. So now we have a lot of, we already had a lot of knowledge content. So there's no need for me to keep on accumulating other knowledge ideas, because we at least had all what we need now in one place. So that's very important. So now today, at least I can share something now, a knowledge-based thing. So today I'm going to share another knowledge-based thing. So apart from the analysis that I have already uploaded on YouTube. So basically, I remember now this is since 2019. So I have been sharing a lot of things, a lot of knowledge content. So now there are certain things that I have never been talked about now. I've never talked about certain things in trading Forex. So now there are several questions that I've been receiving now regarding those ideas, but I have never talked about those things now, giving my recommendations specifically on YouTube channel. So today I'm going to provide that. So basically what I'm going to speak here is all about the trading robots now. Now most people, they call them as a robot, but they are the what we call the expert advisors. Now specifically we can call them as expert advisors, the EAs, or simply people call them as robots. Now these are the trading softwares that can it is just what we call simply we can call them as, we call it as a logarithmic trading. So it is just a trading strategy that has been automated. So that's the basic thing here. So today at least I can share something about that, and actually it is based on now some of the researches that I've been doing. So I remember it was like 2019 where I shared one of the software called Renko Street. So as I said now previously, now that Renko Street was at the basic level. So now when you're learning, and at least you need to have that understanding of the market, how market moves and everything. So you can use that Renko Street. So yeah, it can at least guide you on how you can take your trading decisions. So now today I'm going to share things on robots. So basically, there are a lot of informations on internet on about robots. So you can find that people, they are posting those good results about robots. So most of people have been asking me about those robots, and I think among the videos that I have been sharing on the topic of traders talk, if you remember that traders talk. So I had one person who was talking about robots and everything. So we had a list. We had at least a general understanding how robots work and actually what are the outcomes. So I came to do my own research, because mostly I don't share ideas that I don't have research on them. So I don't like to be caught somewhere talking about things that I don't know. So basically that is what I don't like. So now on trading robots, so I tried to do research for now several years back, but yeah, at least recently I've done something again. So yes, there are many robots. There are many systems where people, they share their results showing that they are making money. Yeah, okay, maybe I don't know about that, but actually that is how people do. Actually, they share those positive results, flipping maybe the 10 USD account to thousands of dollars, and also sometimes 100K, I mean $100 accounts to maybe 10K and everything. So that is how things go. So those are the robots. But actually, I can share one here. So this has been very recent. I can share one here now. This one. So now you can check. So this is VPS. I'm on VPS. So if you are trading now, first of all, if you are trading by using if you want to trade by using those robots, now the softwares, so you can rent a VPS. You can rent a VPS. So maybe shortly the knowledge about the VPS and everything. So VPS, these are the online servers. Like I can call them as online servers, which is like an online computer. Some people call them like that. So they allow your trading operations to continue even when you are offline. Now, for those who have been who have tried using those robots, now they know. So when you turn off your laptop, now your robot will be off. So your trades will continue to run those active ones, but now your robot will not be able to execute other trades. So in order to have ability to now to execute trades continuously even when your laptop is off, so you need to have a VPS. So that is just another thing that you can incorporate if you have now a good trading system. Now if you have a robot that provide you with the positive results, now you can use the VPS at least to yes now to enable it working now continuously even if when your laptop is off. So now that's VPS. And also I can add another thing now. Sometimes for those who buy those robots now, some robots have time limits now. Maybe your robot is going to someone can rent you a robot maybe for a month or for 6 months or 2 months in any way, or even weeks. So basically, that is another thing. I'm just adding it, and you can do your own research. So always on how you can work with the VPS. Now that is a topic for another day, but basically what we do is you have your robot in your MT4 or MT5. So what you do to work with the VPS, once you have already rented your VPS, you will see the VPS somewhere there down here. So you can click the VPS. For now, I'm already on a VPS. So what I will do, you can find something migrate down here. You see, there's migrate down here. So once you click migrate, so it means it automatically take those informations from the MT4 now to the online server. So everything that you did in your MT4 is going to be to that online server. So yeah, everything will keep on running. And the advantage of this, even if there's there's power outage and everything, so this system will continue to run. So that's the advantage. So once you have migrated, your system is there on the VPS. So even if your license have expired to the in the MT4, now in your VPS system may continue to run, but you can do your own analysis. So you can do your own research on this. So now important thing is now, for example here, yes, we rented this one. We rented now now I'm in a VPS now. So this is the name of the robot now. So actually we rented this, and at least we tried it with the $300. We tried it with the $300. So you can see now this is the result. Now this is negative 295.04. Now it means now it has killed everything, you see. So the robot has killed everything, has lost everything, you see. So now always what I can say, the weakness with this thing, always now it at least have that ability to recognize the market move, but the only problem is maybe when it has opened a single sell trade and then a buy signal came in, so it is unable to now maybe to close that sell trade and open the buy positions. So that the weakness this, so it will keep on adding the sells even if we still have some sell signals. So you'll find that now when you go to your MT4 especially, or MT5 when you are using your phone now, MT4 in your phone, so you can see some of the some of the positions that were rejected now because of that one that was open. So that's the problem. So it means that when you're using a robot, you still now, when you're not using a robot like this, I don't know other robots now, when you're using a robot like this one, so actually you must have trading knowledge. So at least you can incorporate your own analysis and then allow the robot to execute trades. Now the advantage of the robot is it will be able to execute trades when you are not in front of your machine, your laptop, your trading desk. So when you're out of the trading desk, so at least the robot can help you with just executing trades. So that's the only advantage. And it is not only this one. So this one is the one that we were managing, just we were managing ourselves. But there's the other one. Another person said, what do you do? Like you send your, you do payments, you send your trading account and everything. So they are going to manage themselves. So even the one who said they are going to manage themselves, they lost everything. So that was on another account. That was on another account. It was not on Tickmill. Now this one is from Tickmill. That one was for FBS. Now that one was for FBS. So even in FBS broker, so they lost everything. So until now, my feedback is I'm not sure if these systems are going to work consistently. So they can make, yes, big returns, but sometimes they are going to make big losses. So just there's no risk management, and actually there's no consistency with those softwares. So until I find something that is going to work consistently, it is when I'm going to update you traders. So I like those people. What I like is just those who are following this channel, at least to have those things that are productive and not just only ideas. Maybe there's something like this, then we jump in. No, like the idea of prop firms. Now I have been doing research on the prop firms. Yeah, I tried with them doing research and everything. So like the my forex fund already encountered a problem. It's like 2 days ago. So now before I have introduced the my forex fund, it has already encountered the problem. So I try to think on maybe what if I have already directed people to join the my forex fund, so they would have been now thinking about me. Maybe I'm the one who misled them. So actually I do research on things before I share to traders. So I do a lot of things to share. To have those we call to have that we call the experience with them before I'm sharing in my my YouTube channel. So that's very powerful. So make sure that you watch those things. If you have any trading system, a robot that is working consistently, you can maybe recommend people in a comment section, maybe telling them that we have this that work consistently. But for me, I'm not sure if there's any that can work consistently. But for the one that can produce big results in once, so we can have that. But it's going to lose now more than what it has made in once again. So that's very powerful. So thank you for your time and have a good time.